All right, welcome to Lizards on the Loose 2022. This is a tutorial video about how to make a new account if you don't have one that you previously used for Lizards on the Loose, and then how to join the Lizards on the Loose 2022 project. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. You will want to, if you're doing this on the web, go to iNaturalist.org, and there you would then click on the sign up button. Okay, you can enter an email here that you're going to use for your account. Probably going to be a school email or maybe one that you create specifically for this project. You can create a username. We recommend that the username has something to do with your school so that it's clear what school you belong to. That makes it easier for the organizers to keep track. And then you'll want to make a password. And the password should be something that you will share with all the different students that are using your account. So don't make it anything personal. What this means is that all the different students can log into the account on their own devices and submit them. And that way you'll be able to keep track of all the different observations that students have. You can help them out if there's a problem. You can see all the activity for the project. Once you've got all that information together, you're going to click the I'm not a robot button, assuming you're not a robot. And then you can go ahead and tick all the permission boxes here. There's nothing really scary in here. These are sort of standard privacy provisions and things like that, terms of use, but you can go ahead and click on the learn more links if you want to review. If you already have an account, like you've used one for Lizards on the Loose projects in the past and you want to keep the same one, that's great. You can definitely do that. And then you'll be able to see sort of all your observations from previous years in one place as well, which can be kind of exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here, and I will use our on the Loose account. And this is what you should see for your starting page. Okay. So in this case, it will show you some ways to get it started. And I'm going to go up here to this community tab. I'm going to click on projects in the dropdown. And in the search box, I'm going to type Lizards on the Loose 2 and click on go. And you'll see it pulls up our Lizards on the Loose project. And once I click on this, you can see the page for the project. Now, we're doing this before the project, so we don't have any observations yet. But you'll want to go up to the Join This Project link in the upper right-hand corner. And when you do this, it'll give you a little bit of information about this project. It'll tell you what needs to be present. The observations need to be in Florida. They need to have the Anole perch field filled out. We'll talk about that in the second video about how to add an observation to the project. And you can pretty much just go with the defaults here and click on yes, I want to join. And so once you have done that, it will add you to the project. So welcome to Lizards on the Loose 2022. And you'll be ready to add any observations that you do make to the project. And we'll go over that in the future.